Did you know you can build a profitable online business just by sending simple emails, even if you've never written a marketing email before? Today, I'm going to show you the exact steps to turn email marketing into predictable daily income without needing a big audience, expensive tools, or any tech skills. And the best part? Once you set this up, it works for you 24/7. Let me show you how it's done. Hi, I'm John. A couple of years ago, I was completely overwhelmed trying to build an online business. I kept posting on social media, trying random side hustles, and nothing worked. The worst part? I felt like I was doing everything, but still getting nowhere. Then I discovered email marketing, and for the first time, things actually started to click. I finally learned how to build an audience I could reach anytime, without relying on algorithms or luck. Now I generate consistent income by sending simple emails, and I want to show you the same path, without all the mistakes I made. Now that you understand why email marketing can completely transform your income, let me show you exactly how to do it, step by step. And don't worry, I'm going to keep this simple, beginner-friendly, and actionable. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build an email list, how to write emails that actually convert, and how to turn that list into consistent daily income, even if you've never done this before. And the best part? You can do all of this without needing a big audience, fancy tools, or years of experience. We're going to break this down into 5 powerful steps, each designed to help you build a long-term, sustainable email marketing machine. All right, let's get into step 1. Get clear on what you want, the foundation. Before you build anything in email marketing, you need clarity. Think of this as your ask moment, the point where you get honest about what you want your email system to do for you. Do you want daily commissions? More leads for your business? A loyal audience you can reach anytime? Freedom from relying on TikTok or Instagram algorithms? Most beginners skip this step. But clarity is what guides everything else. Your content, your offers, even the type of emails you write. Let me ask you, you might be wondering, why does this matter? Because people who don't define the outcome end up building email lists with no direction. And direction is what turns emails into income. Once you're clear on what you want, it activates a mental process, almost like flipping a switch, that helps you move towards that goal. All right? Once you know your outcome. Now we move into the practical steps. Step 2, build your audience. One email at a time. This is where most people freeze. They think they need 10,000 followers, an expensive website, or complicated tech. You don't. What you actually need is something simple, a reason for people to join your email list. This could be a free guide, a checklist, a short video, a cheat sheet, or even a value email. Your number one focus here is getting people into your world, because your email list is the only audience you truly own. Let me tease something that comes later. Most people think social media grows your business, but email is what actually monetizes it. We'll talk about why in step 5. For now, let's keep it simple. Create something valuable, offer it for free, collect emails, grow your list. And remember, success is not in short supply. There is no limit on how many people you can reach. It's like an ocean, but most people show up with a teaspoon. Show up with a bucket. Step 3, write emails that people actually want to open. This is the heart of email marketing. You don't need to be a professional writer. What you do need is consistency and a little creativity. Let me break this down in simple terms. Your emails should 1. Provide value. 2. Build trust. 3. Share stories. 4. Guide people toward solutions. One of the biggest success principles in the knowledge base is that motion beats motivation. Progress creates energy. Writing emails regularly not only builds trust with your audience, it builds your skill. And here's a question for you. Have you ever subscribed to someone's emails and found yourself actually looking forward to reading them? You want your audience to feel the same way. The secret? Be relatable. Be human. Use simple language. Focus on helping, not selling. Your emails don't need to be long, they need to be meaningful. And here's a teaser. In step 4, I'll show you how to turn these emails into consistent income without being salesy. Step 4. Turn your emails into income without being pushy. A lot of people think selling through email is uncomfortable. But once you understand the success formula from the knowledge base, it becomes effortless. Ask with intelligence. Ask with faith. What does that mean in email marketing? Ask with intelligence. Give people clear, specific offers. Don't mumble. Don't be vague. Tell them what the product is, why it matters, and who it's for. Ask with faith. Believe in what you're recommending. Share products you'd use yourself. Let your passion come through. This is where income comes from. Promote products you believe in. Use simple call to actions. Always give value before you ask. And here's the best part. Once you build the system, your emails work for you 24/7. Imagine waking up to commissions from emails you wrote days or weeks ago. That's the power of this step. Now let's talk about something that truly separates successful email marketers. Step 5. Consistency beats everything. Your real advantage. The knowledge base talks about a powerful idea. Small steps taken every day beat giant leaps taken once in a while. This is email marketing in a nutshell. Most people quit too soon. They send 3 emails and expect miracles. But the ones who win, they keep going. They stay consistent. They understand that discipline creates results. Let me ask you a question. Are you treating email marketing like a hobby or a calling? Because when you treat it like a calling, something meaningful, everything changes. Your writing improves. Your list grows. Your income stabilizes. Your confidence grows. And here's a little teaser before our payoff. In a moment, I'm going to show you how to connect all of this so your success becomes inevitable. Delivering the promise. Now you know exactly how email marketing works and how you can turn it into a predictable, long-term income system. You learned how to get clear on your goals, how to grow your email list, how to write emails people want to read, how to monetize your messages, and how to stay consistent so your results compound over time. This is the exact foundation that successful email marketers use. And now, you have it too. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one. I've got more powerful training coming your way, and you don't want to miss it.